Hello students, this is a special video for my all those students who are just joined our family of IT, especially 11th class students who want to learn about what are softwares, how to create softwares. So this particular video is for all those students. In this video, I will cover software. What is a software? To understand a software, we must understand what is a hardware. As we all know, any tangible part of the system, that part which you can touch, you can hold in your hand, is called tangible part and it is known as hardware. For example, all input devices, output devices, memory units, these are all examples of hardware. Just opposite to the hardware, there is software which is intangible part of a system. This part you cannot touch, you cannot take it in your hand, but you can view it on your system. Whatever system you are using, it is run by only software. Let's take few examples that you must see in your mobile phones, laptops and desktops. Games, documents, images, web browsers, songs, movies, operating systems. These are all examples of software. The broad category of software is system software and application software. This video is covering only system software. There are four types of system software. The first one is operating system. You all must have heard this term operating system. It is a set of system programs that controls and coordinates the operation of a computer system. It performs all basic tasks such as identification of input devices, output devices, accepting input from the input devices, sending results to the output devices. That means it is handling all the input-output operation. In short, we call them I/O operations. It controls all the devices attached to the system, performs file management, process management, memory management. So it is the only system in the computer that coordinates the control functioning of the computer. All the hardware and software runs under its guidance. Second type of system software is known as BIOS. The full form of BIOS is Basic Input Output System. It is a boot firmware software. That means this software is pre-written. It is firmware. That means it is pre-written in the hardware and installed in your system when you purchase it. It is mostly written in the ROM, read-only memory, and it gets executed whenever you power on your system. It checks all the I/O devices connect to the main computer system whether they are functioning properly or not. Third type of system software is device drivers. A device driver is a system software that acts like an interface between the device and the user. Device means any hardware which are connected with the computer must have its corresponding driver installed in the system for functioning. If you connect a new printer to your system, then you must install its driver, that means its corresponding software that will run it. Otherwise, that printer will not function. The fourth category and the very important category of system software is language processors. As we all know that computer can understand only machine language or say binary language, and we human understand high level languages. So there is a requirement of translator that translates high level language into binary language, and for that purpose there are three types of translators that perform this action for us. First one is assembler. It translates a program written in assembly language into machine language. Interpreter, it converts high level language program into machine language but line by line. If there are 4 lines written in a program, then it will execute first line at a time. If there is no error in the line, then it will go to second line, translates it and executes it, and so on. Compiler translates high-level language into machine language, but in one go. That means the whole code gets converted into machine language at once, and then its execution gets started. So this is all about system software. The application software I am going to continue in next session. Till then, take care.